In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to make a storage chest in Grounded 2. So the first thing you need to do is to analyze, I think it's the acorn shell, I think it's called. Yeah, acorn shell here. I think you have to analyze this one right here. And when you have done so, then you will be able to unlock it. So when you have unlocked the storage chest, you can click on the B button on your keyboard, and now you're going to select storage chest right here. So you need 2 clover leaves for acorn shells and for sap as well. And acorn shells, if you haven't yet gotten it, I'm going to show you on the map exactly where I got it. So you need to go into the entrance right here, as you can see, and there's going to be around this area right here. You will see, I think this is the tall tree right here, actually, that drops a lot of acorns. Maybe here is actually a good area as well. So just go around it, you will be able to find some for sure. And now when you have found it, then you can start constructing the storage chest. So we're just going to click right here. We can just place it right here. And as you can see, this is basically exactly how to do this.